Hello, we'd like to show you how to specifically configure your iQuoteM tool for the needs of your particular business. From the home page, I'd like you to go to the Admin button on the top menu bar and click it. Once in the Admin section, you can see that you can change all the information about your business, add and delete new users, edit passwords, and configure the tool to suit your particular business needs. Let's start with the Manage Your Business section. You'll notice there are 10 sections to help you customize your business and all have a tab. It's a good idea to go through each of these 10 tabs and make sure that you have all the appropriate information for your business. Most of the fields are self-explanatory, but some need a little explanation. The Save All button can be used at any time to save all the changes you've made so far. The Next button can be used to progress through the category tabs. The 10 section tabs can be clicked on directly to navigate between sections. The first tab, called Business, includes basic information about your business. Whether you're in a tax-exempt business, the name of your applicable tax, GST, VAT, the tax rate you attract, the minimum default hours that you charge. It also asks questions about what type of estimate you want to provide to your customers. Would you like to provide variable estimates only, fixed estimates only, or would you like to provide both types of estimates, variable and fixed? The first drop-down, Estimate Costing Type, is there to choose the types of estimates you want your company to offer to the clients. If you choose both types, your company will be capable of offering both fixed and variable estimates. Choosing fixed or variable will limit your offerings to that type only. The second drop-down, Preferred Costing Type, looks similar, but it's there to define the type of estimate that will be offered by default if your staff do not make an explicit choice. For instance, if you choose both types in the first drop-down and fixed in the second, when you create an estimate, you'll see that fixed is chosen by default, but you can choose both or variable if you wish. It also asks what your fixed cost markup is from the midpoint of your variable estimates. So if you choose to use a fixed estimate, it will mark up your variable estimate's midpoint by that percentage to cover your business for the unforeseens. This is where you can set your default markup percentage for fixed price estimates. Click Next or Rates to go to the next section. The second tab is about what and how many billing rates you want. The reason we have these various rates is so when you're doing your estimates, you can choose between what rates you want to for various tasks. By default, we create a generic labour rate and assign a value to it. You can delete a labour rate using this button. To add a new rate, click Add New Labour Rate. Enter the new rate's details, its name and dollar value. Repeat as needed. Navigate to the next section. The third tab is called Leads. Lead generators allow you to tag where leads come from with as many categories as you like. It's very important to tag your leads. This will allow you to calculate how much your leads cost you by activity. It will also allow you to calculate how much each job cost you by activity category. At regular intervals, you can run reports by each lead category and then divide what you spent on that marketing activity by how many leads came in. You can do the same for jobs approved. In the same manner as before, you can assign lead generators, delete them, add new ones, give it a name, and repeat as needed. Navigate to the next section. Remember, you can hit Save All at any time. The fourth tab is called Contact. Contact allows you to put your business details on the PDF estimate so your potential customers know who to contact if they have any questions or want to book in the job. It allows for both phone and email responses from your customers. Staff email address is the staff member who you want to send all copies of emails and error messages to. Reply email address is the email address to be used in outgoing emails as the reply to. They may be the same person, but they can be different staff members if you choose. Navigate to the next section. The fifth tab is called Address. Address allows you to put your business address details on the PDF estimate. so your potential customers know where to mail things or where your office is. Navigate to the next section. The sixth tab is called Estimate. Estimate allows you to customize your company's individual estimate call to action, terms and disclaimers. It allows for different text for your variable and fixed estimates, and terms to show if you're providing fixed and variable options. Your signature terms. It also allows you to create a unique prefix code for your estimates if you desire. Navigate to the next section. The seventh tab is called Tables. Tables allow you to customize your company's estimate format based on what information you want to show the customer. It allows for different tables with different column formats. Look around and see what suits your business. Navigate to the next section. The eighth tab is called Headers. Headers allow you to put customized headers in your chosen estimate column. It allows for different text for each column header so your estimate makes sense to you and your customer. Navigate to the next section. The ninth tab is called Logos. Logos allows you to put your company's individual logo on your iQuoteM website and on your estimate by uploading your logo. You'll need to get your logo in two different formats, 200 pixels wide by 100 high and 768 wide by 135 high. To upload a logo, choose File, find your 200 by 100 logo image, and there it is. To upload your estimate banner, choose File, find your 768 by 135 banner, and there it is. Navigate to the next section. The last and 10th tab is called Tags. Tags allow you to choose what categories of business you want to do business in. This will allow iQuoteM to send you leads in future based on what categories you operate in. Note that these are the same tags that were selected when you registered. You can check more or remove checks to suit your business. At this point, clicking Next will perform an automatic save of all your changes. Notice that the logo for your iQuoteM portal has become the image you chose previously. The next module will talk about creating our leads and managing our customers. Thank you very much.